Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog as we are about to cruise out in downtown Brooklyn back to Williamsburg, back to my hood. I was just at my office in DUMBO, right over there. And then I went to the freaking post office right there, the biggest post office in the old New York City. And now I'm going to hopefully ride back home vertically. Haha. But yeah, look at this shit. Look at this sloppy weather. As much as I wanna because this is actually a first really beautiful day. Oh look, you could see World Trade from there. I didn't even know that. That's dope. Yeah, and look at that old building. That's some old New York City stuff. I'm a big fan of that. Anyway, yeah, it's a first warm day in forever. It's 48 degrees. It's damn near 50 degrees, even though yesterday was high 20s. What a wild weather we're having. Meanwhile, in Texas, they got snow and bursting pipes. Freaking crazy. Look at this shit. Look at these po-po piggies. Oh brother, why, oh why is there piggies everywhere? Look how many piggies is here, there and everywhere. Am I supposed to just wait forever? I'm not exactly sure what the fuck is happening. Yes. I do need to pick a right. Please? Somebody, anybody? Kinda, sorta? The strong tourism of New York City. Now that does not seem like an appropriate place to park or even stop. That person is waiting to get talked to. But yeah, it's a beautiful day, but I just don't feel, because like every road, like all the snow is melting everywhere, and there's just filth and dirt everywhere. And as much as I want to, I mean, my bike is already filthy, but it's just like idea of riding to Manhattan or somewhere exciting right now, nah, because my poor bike is already disgusting. And as I don't mention in the other vlog, freaking my battery was dead. So this is actually a super nice thing that I get to ride, because I didn't ride for 2 weeks and my battery died. And in fact, I didn't ride for 2 weeks. I actually was concerned. I was like, am I still gonna remember how to operate a motorcycle? You know, is it really like riding a bicycle or not particularly? Listen to it. Yeah, there's water in one of the cylinders. That's why it sounds like this. And hopefully at high speed it will fix itself. Look at all these people parking in the middle. That's crazy. Madness. But yeah, I damn near thought I forgot how to ride a bike, because I used to vlog every single day. And actually this is my third vlog as of today, because gotta get them in there. I wonder why. I think it's the coils. It's definitely the coils. Look at this person from Louisiana. Let's see what's going on here. But yeah, you heard, like, right, when my bike gets wet, once in a while, it like, one of the cylinders legit cuts out. This person is the reason why there's traffic. Nice. Does feels good to pick up a little bit of speed. Nothing too crazy now. Nothing too wild now. But just a quick little ride around Brooklyn. Yes. Back out there. Back on that bullshit. Whoopity doopity doo. I love it. I love it. I forgot. I had some sort of a topic planned, but forget all that. Irrelevant. We are just cruising at this point. Beautiful. My bike needs a complete wash. And just like that, we are back in Williamsburg. A nice, quick and easy cruise. Nothing too wild crazy. The highways are dry. Man, it's like warm out right now. I'm literally like, these gloves, because I'm wearing my, I'm wearing my heated gloves. Obviously, they're not turned on or anything, but that's such an overkill. Such an overkill. And this man is from New Jersey, just driving like a freaking banana. I mean, that Lexus, I'd be a lot more impressed if it was champagne colored. Come on, bro. You could do it. Don't be scared. Don't be scared, champion. Come on. Bro. There we go. Not sure what that was all about. People got confused, but not me. I am fully alert. Anyway, that was a quick little vlog. It feels nice to be back out there, man. That fucking below freezing shit with the snow. I hated it. I hated it. Go ahead, kids. If you're gonna go, you gotta go now. I don't know what, if that was a honk for me or not. But anyway, look, there's still some salt on the ground. My buddy Ryan didn't want to know how I actually dumped his bike. That was pretty funny. Well, he was like trying to show off in front of me. I'll talk to you guys later, okay? I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.